All right, gentlemen. I know at least one of you has just arrived, so I'll go through this again, from the top. After our exit and the catastrophic handling of the Cold War stockpiles, Malden has drifted into CSAT's sphere of influence. Our former base, here, to the north of the main airport, is now a major concern. China's got a squadron of long-range aircraft there, Shikras. Brass tacks, we need air superiority over the Gibraltar Straits. If we don't have that, we can invade Altis and Stratus. Thankfully, the Chinese are keen to avoid a wider conflict. They've agreed to ground their jets and accept a temporary NATO holding force. That's here. However, African troops from CSAT's Scimitar Regiment are non-compliant. They've withdrawn into the island's interior, taking some tanks and man-portable AA systems with them, here, and possibly here as well. Obviously, this is some kind of delaying tactic. But for what? It's hard to say. Our response has been about denying the enemy time. Hence, this bridgehead to the south, down here at the harbor near Laporte. If we push west, we can sever logistics and open up another front outside Chapoy and Cancan. First, though, we'll need to silence a mortar, firing on our lines from this area here, not far from Sainte-Marie. It seems to be constantly switching positions. That's where you and your team come in, Sergeant. Before the offensive, we need you to find it and take it out. Ingress here, then make your way to Point Alverstone. Be mindful of CSAT patrols, and this particular location, here at Point Sanford. As soon as you've accomplished your mission, retreat to Point Bora and regroup. And that's all. Nothing you can't handle. Dismissed.
Guardian, Pariah, making tracks.
Copy. Interrogative. Do you have a visual on your primary?
Negative. Audio contact only.
Get a bead on it, Pariah. Move fast and hit Point Alverstone. Out.
Form diamond. Silence. Contact, truck, 400 meters south. Contact, mortar, 400 meters south.
Pariah to Guardian. Got eyes on our mortar. It's being fired from the truck. Over.
Prosecute that target, Pariah. Feel free to use explosives and create a little chaos. Do not answer. Out.
Target acquired. Target in sight. Contact. Mortar, 400 meters. Bearing 165. Ready to fire.
Contact, unknown contact, 300 meters, bearing 105. We've got an enemy. Unknown contact, 300 meters, bearing 105.
Contact. Soldier, 300 meters, bearing 105. Enemy spotted. Man, 300 meters, bearing 105. I've got a visual. Truck, 300 meters east.
Contact. Soldier, 100 meters. Just up ahead.
Contact, truck, 200 meters, just up ahead. Contact, mortar, 100 meters, just up ahead. Target acquired.
Guardian, Pariah, CSAT's raised the alarm. Over.
Copy. Remember the mission. Time is running out. Do not get pinned down in a firefight. Out.
Guardian, enemy artillery at Point Alverstone's out of commission. How copy? Over.
Acknowledged, Pariah. Great work. Listen, we're receiving some new information. CSAT armor, possible sighting. Grid 057-043. We need to verify before our attack.
No problem. We'll see if we can get a closer look. Out. Gotta be shitting me. Guardian, it's Pariah. You won't believe this. That armor? It's junk. Just some old Ruski wreckage left over from the Cold War. Only danger here is if I cut myself and die of septicemia. Over.
Roger, Pariah. Hightail it to Point Bora. Out. Guardian to Pariah. Flash. Alpha is in the rain. Neutralize that gun ASAP.
Solid copy, Guardian. Can you hear that fucker? He's not far. Out.
Guardian, it's Bravo. We got intel on that mortar.
Great work, Bravo.
Local synth pop, sir. Just a sec. Êtes-vous seul? Oui. Pour Sainte-Marie, ici. Grid 051052. No, disregard my last. Grid 051042. I say again, 051042. It's a, small farmhouse. Shit. Danger of collateral damage.
Understood. Pariah, you get all that?
Affirmative. Moving there now. Out.
Contact. AT soldier. 100 meters. Just up ahead. Fire at will. Contact. Unknown contact. 100 meters. Just up ahead. Target eliminated. Contact. Mortar. 600 meters. Southeast. Hostile down. Hold fire.
Contact. 100 meters. Left. Target in sight.
Fire at will.
Contact. Soldier. 100 meters. To the left. Contact. AT soldier. 100 meters. Left. Contact. Soldier. 100 meters. Left. Soldier. 100 meters. Left. Contact. Soldier. 100 meters. Right up ahead.
Hostile down. Target is down. Hold fire.
Eyes on target. Contact. Machine gunner. 75 meters. Front.
Fire at will.
Eyes on target.
Hold fire. Fire at will. Stop.
Solid copy.
Contact. Rifleman.
Guardian! Alpha! We're taking serious casualties! Fuck, we can't take much more of this!
Roger, Alpha. Keep moving. Pariah, whatever you're doing, do it faster. Get to that farmhouse and take care of that mortar team. Out.
Move! Let's pick up the pace!
Hold fire. Target eliminated. Contact. Soldier. Half a click. Southeast.
Contact. Man. 100 meters. Left.
Weapons free. Target. Man. Northeast.
Contact. Man. I've got it. Contact. Rifleman. 100 meters. Left flank. Contact.
Guardian, second mortar eliminated. Alpha zone free.
Just in time. Now resume your prior objective in exfil. Out.
Hold fire.
Ready to fire.
Fire at will.
Eyes on target. Target is down.
Hold fire.
Contact. 100 meters to the right of us. Ready to fire.
Fire at will. Contact. Rifleman, 75 meters, just up ahead. Target eliminated.
Contact. Soldier. 100 meters. Right up ahead.
Pariah to Guardian. We're almost at Point Bora. Over.
Copy that. Excellent job out there, Sergeant. Get on the other side of those mountains and prep for the second phase of the operation. Out.